You record it for me? Can you record it for me? You want to record it for me?
We're gonna record our reaction. But then we're not gonna get to the part yet because it's a long video. So long. Yeah, long. Video, movie, and moving. God. That's.
Have you ever played the line game doing grass? And then,
Let's go! Ahead of you pass.